This is Fall 2 reporting certification. We'll be covering submission requirements. Kyron do a demonstration of the certification errors, resolve some of those, a little bit of the certification process, and then we'll do reports and always conclude with the wrap up. The target audience for today are the data coordinators that do the daily submissions to CalPads, are responsible for certification, and those of you who are new to this position. Advanced, you know, those of you who have done this several times, we typically send you to the advanced training. It's shorter. This is longer, more in depth, and more detailed because we're catering to those people who are less experienced. Here's the training roadmap. So if you are new, everything to the left of the highlighted Fall 1 and Fall 2 reporting certification session, we would expect you to be familiar with to get the most benefit out of this training. So the introductory courses, the basic courses, the data population courses would all prepare you for Fall 1 or Fall 2. In this case, the reporting certification training. So we have several objectives today. First, we want you to be able to identify the source systems, connect the data, and your stakeholders across your ecosystem. Typically, the data coordinator inherits the responsibility for knowing the flow of data as well as building a team because you can't do it yourself. And unfortunately, you're going to have initiative to rally people together because they typically don't understand the importance of CalPADS data until it's too late and you're being forced to answer questions about the dashboard. We also want you to be able to transform the data so it conforms to standards and requirements through data curation. This will help you submit clean data and make your submission as easy as possible. We hope today's training allows you to have a systematic method of resolving errors. We want you to use analytical mindfulness. Not all the scenarios of your LEA will be laid out to you in the error resolutions and the error definitions, and that will require critically thinking to solve your own problems using the information that you get today. And last but not least, you are a data coordinator for CalPADS for your LEA. This requires you to lead the submission and the approval process and develop local procedures for your LEA. You kind of inherently will become a data leader for your uh, LEA, and hopefully that will bleed over into other aspects, not just data reporting. Hopefully you all can drive your LEAs into using data to make decisions and bring awareness to trends and student achievement, student successes, or the critical factors of there. So here's today's agenda. I kind of talked about it. We'll start with the overview, as we always do. Then we'll go into the submission details. Then we'll demonstrate the certification validation. We will review the reports for Fall 2, talk about some of the CalSAS impacts, and then conclude with a wrap up